Meadowbrook is a hidden village, surrounded by tall green trees and the gentle whispering brook. The air is fresh, scented with pine and earth, and the sky stretches wide above us. Our wooden and stone houses have gardens bursting with colourful flowers. Life here moves slowly, and that's just how we like it. People here are friendly, always ready with a wave or a cup of tea. We live by the seasons, watching the sun rise and set, learning from nature's rhythms. At night, 1,000 stars twinkle above, and the river's song soothes us. This is Meadowbrook, a village shaped by nature and by the people who love it. Welcome to our home. In Meadowbrook, the day begins with the sun painting the sky pink and orange. Barnaby the rooster crows, waking the village. Lights flicker in cottage windows, and smoke curls from chimneys. Farmers pull on boots, ready to tend to cows and chickens. Dew sparkles on the grass as the village wakes. The sun warms the earth, and everyone finds their rhythm. Children's laughter mixes with the sounds of the farm. The day stretches ahead, full of potential. Welcome to a Meadowbrook morning. As the sun rises, Meadowbrook comes alive with work and laughter. Farming is at the heart of our village. Fields are ploughed, seeds are sown, and everyone lends a hand. Each person has a skill: baking, weaving, blacksmithing, and every job matters. We depend on each other, and our work connects us. The land gives back what we put in. By evening, we're tired, but content. This is the honest, happy work that makes Meadowbrook strong. In Meadowbrook, animals are more than helpers, they're friends. Daisy the cow is gentle and loves a good head scratch, while clever Penelope the pig delights in muddy puddles. The animals trust us, and we care for them in return. Dogs like Patch roam free, guiding sheep and playing with children. They're loyal companions, always by our side, sharing stories by the fire. Wild neighbours, deer, squirrels, badgers move quietly through the woods and fields. We respect their space, knowing the land belongs to them too. Birds are everywhere. Their songs, the soundtrack of our days. We feed them in winter and watch them build nests in spring. Their hard work and cheerful tunes remind us we're all part of nature's web. The animals teach us about patience, care, and the joy of simple company. Children grow up learning the names and habits of every creature. The bond between people and animals is strong and kind. Even the wildest animals are our neighbours, and we protect their homes. The village is alive with the movement and music of animals. Every day we're reminded that we share this world. The animals' trust is a gift we treasure. Our lives are richer for their presence. Meadowbrook wouldn't be the same without them. Here every creature has a place. We are all connected, living side by side. This is the heart of Meadowbrook's friendship, with feathers, fur, and love. When the day's main work is done, Meadowbrook settles into a gentle afternoon. The sun warms the cottages, and people turn to quieter tasks, shelling peas, mending shirts, or simply sitting outside. Children spill from school, playing hide-and-seek, sailing leaf boats and making daisy chains. Their laughter drifts on the breeze, pure and joyful. Neighbours visit, leaning on garden gates to chat about gardens, weather, and family. Small gifts, fresh eggs, homemade jam, are exchanged with smiles. These simple acts of kindness keep our community close. Some wander into the woods, where sunlight dances through the leaves and peace fills the air. The forest is a place to rest, listen, and recharge. The afternoon hum is soft and contented. The village feels united even in quiet moments. The world slows down and worries fade away. Every afternoon is a chance to connect, with nature, with neighbours, with ourselves. This gentle rhythm is the soul of Meadowbrook. Here, peace is part of every day. As the sun sets, Meadowbrook glows with warmth and togetherness. Families gather in cozy cottages, lamps flicker, and the smell of stew fills the air. After dinner, we gather by the fire, our favorite time of day. Grandparents share old tales, teaching us kindness and respect for nature. Sometimes the evening is filled with music and song. The fire is our television, but much more alive. Outside is quiet, but inside, Meadowbrook is alive with warmth. We end our days in gratitude, laughter, and love. Good night from Meadowbrook. In Meadowbrook, no one is ever alone. We are a true community. When someone is sick, neighbors step in to milk cows, feed chickens, and help without being asked. We share burdens, making them lighter for everyone. During the autumn harvest, the whole village gathers, men, women, and children, to bring in the crops. The work feels like a celebration, with songs and shared meals in the fields. At day's end, we're tired, but our hearts are full, and the barns are stocked for winter. Small acts of kindness matter too, fixing a storm-damaged roof, bringing meals to new parents, or helping with chores. These gestures weave our community together, making it strong and loving. Helping isn't a chore, it's a joy that connects us. We celebrate each other's successes and support each other through hard times. This spirit of togetherness creates safety and belonging. In Meadowbrook, helping hands are always ready. This knowledge brings peace and happiness to all. Our village thrives on cooperation and care. Every person matters, and every kindness counts. We are stronger together than alone. The bonds we build last a lifetime. Meadowbrook's greatest strength is its people. Here, community is more than a word, it's a way of life. This is what makes our village truly happy, and it's why Meadowbrook feels like home. Meadowbrook is a gift from nature, and we are its careful guardians. We never take more than we need, always planting a new tree for everyone we use. The forest is our village's lungs, and we protect it for future generations. The whispering brook is precious. We keep it clean, never polluting its waters. The river gives life to fish, animals, and people alike. Children learn early to respect and care for the brook. Our farming listens to the soil. We give back with manure, rotate crops, and keep the earth healthy. Healthy soil means healthy food and healthy people. Every season we thank nature with small traditions, celebrating blossoms, sunny days, and the harvest. Our festivals are joyful, filled with dancing, singing, and feasting. We know we are partners with nature, not owners. This understanding shapes every choice we make. We teach our children to honor the land and its gifts. The circle of life is simple and sacred here. By caring for the earth, we care for ourselves. Our respect for nature is at the heart of Meadowbrook. The land provides, and we protect it in return. This balance keeps our village thriving. Meadowbrook's beauty is a shared responsibility. We are stewards of this green home for now and for the future. What makes Meadowbrook special? The secret is simple: living close to nature and each other. It's not about money or fancy things, but about finding joy in small moments. A sunrise, a fresh carrot, a friend's laughter. Here we move with the seasons, taking time to breathe and notice the world. This slowness brings peace and helps us remember what truly matters. Living close to the land fills us with wonder and gratitude. We see magic in a spider's web, strength in an old oak tree. The connection to nature makes us feel less alone and more at home. The heart of Meadowbrook is its community, kindness, helping hands, and shared stories. We care for the land and for each other, creating a circle of love and support. This is the tranquil charm of a nature village. True contentment comes from simple living and deep connections. Meadowbrook is proof that happiness grows where people and nature thrive together. Here, every day is a gift. This is the secret of a happy life. Thank you for visiting Meadowbrook.